Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about how the past 2 weeks, 12 days, I'm going to give myself a break, we'll say 2 weeks, without caffeine has been affecting me. We're just going to be doing a little catch-up vlog on Friday. I like to do these, hopefully you like them too. I'm also going to be covering a little bit about this, if you know what that is. And yeah, hopefully you guys like and subscribe, and let's just jump right into it. All right, so let's start with caffeine. Okay, so I've been drinking probably 1 to 3 cups of coffee every single day since I was really like 13. High school, probably like freshman year, I started doing that every morning before school. I had some coffee. Whole family's big coffee drinkers. And I think just culturally, everyone is mostly coffee drinkers. So it's just one of those easy things to go, hey, when you're little, it doesn't really make any sense. You have tons of energy. And you see people drinking coffee, you're like, that's gross. You taste it the first time you have it, you're like, this sucks. It's like dirt water. Why is my dad and mom drinking dirt water? But eventually you kind of get swayed into it. And so anyway, here we are, 8 to 10 years later, having drank that much every day. And I was getting negative effects from it. So I was getting these stomach issues. I was, getting really bad. Just felt like every morning, right? I just wake up, it's just coffee. That's what my stomach knows immediately. It's not good for you. And then on top of that, it's like something that you start depending on. So I would not be able to go until noon without a cup of coffee. My energy starts going down. I'm getting a headache. I'm like, okay, finally, I saw this video by Alex Becker. He was talking about it, and it's just one of those things that triggers you. It's like, wow, I've never even noticed that about myself. I'm literally dependent upon a substance. So it doesn't matter what it is. I hope you recognize the synonymous nature between any substance abuse. Okay, whether it's caffeine or heroin, it could go all the way as extreme as something like that. Literally, the reason you feel like shit when you don't drink caffeine is because you're hungover, right? You've been taking a drug for years every single day, and you feel like crap. You get a headache, you get tired. Those are all the same things you experience when you had a big night of drinking. You might not even put those things together. You just go, oh, I need my daily cup of coffee. I encourage you to always do your own research, but this is kind of what led me into it. I was like, there is actually significant studies that have done here that are most of these have been covered up, but a lot of them are like, yeah, caffeine's not that good for you. It is a drug, it's a stimulant, and you're doing that every single day. So it's changing the way your body creates energy and, holds on to energy and is able to operate. So anyway, I stopped 12 days ago, and man, I feel good. I've just been like, I was talking to my girlfriend the other day. I was like, I feel like a whole new person. It was like 6 p.m. I'm like still going strong. I'm working. I'm like doing all these things in my office. Normally by then I would have no ambition whatsoever to even touch my computer. It just would totally be wanting a nap by 2 o'clock, right? Is a good way to put it. And not to mention, everything digestively has been fixed. I feel amazing. I've been so much more hydrated because this weird thing happens when you drink a lot of coffee. You feel like you're drinking a lot of fluids, but it's all actually dehydrating you. So you don't want to drink a cup of coffee, then drink a huge cup of water, have another cup of coffee, drink a huge cup of water. It's usually not how it works. You're just drinking one fluid, and whether that's water or coffee. Now I'm drinking probably 3 times the amount of water I was drinking before, and that has helped tremendously as well. So a little bit of update on that. I'm feeling great. I will probably have coffee again just as like a dessert item, or just something that's fun after dinner. You go out once, you get it. It's great. That's okay. But it shouldn't be something that I'm depending on. And that's just a decision that I've made. Maybe you still want to drink coffee? Go right ahead. Okay. I just like to analyze parts of my life that, are keeping me from my maximum potential. I mean, there's plenty of people, not just children, who have maximum energy level. People who do 10-hour seminars that are at full. Look at Tony Robbins, right? It's an example that I love. He's so energized. For 10 hours at a time. He's in his 50s, right? So on to the next part. If you know what this is, if you don't, comment down below. But anyway, this is brand new. I'm going to be start filming Savage University soon. So I want you to comment your input down below. What do you want in there? So when you join, I want to make sure that everything that you want is in there. So comment the crucial parts that you want down below, and I'm gonna be kind of making this with you so that when you get in, you almost feel like it was custom made for you. And hopefully everyone feels that way, since I'll be taking in everyone's input. I'm not gonna go into too much detail yet, but I am just beyond excited for what I'm creating here. Okay, there's not gonna be, we'll just stop talking about it for now. Comment down below. I'm really excited. That's one of the last things I want to touch on. Today I'm going to a cool park. I've never been there yet. Lindsay, my girlfriend, it was her idea to go the other day. It's beautiful out today. It's gonna be 70 and sunny here in Washington State. So yeah, we're really excited about that. We've been cooped up. How's quarantine been going for you? Let me know down below. Are you going a little bit stir crazy? I've actually been almost hyper productive lately, because I've just been, you can't really do much. It's like, hey, what are you gonna do? Well, get excited about something. So let's get excited about working, reading, meditating. All of those things have just been like double their normal output lately. So yeah, hopefully you guys are having a good end of your week. It is Friday, so you guys are gonna be working on your businesses over the weekend. But other than that, guys, thanks for watching. If you like catching up with me, leave a like and be sure to subscribe. Other than that, I'll see you back here on the channel Monday for a really fun video coming for you. I was gonna do it today, but I wanted to do these vlogs on Friday. So I'll see you on Monday. Later.